Father for Moshe Julie Juu TV. So they are making me so Julie Juu TV. But subscribe to your channel, like and share. Oh, we are my comment. Name boosting me immune system. No, yeah, that's why I will program now. Program for now. You born who they were. I got my Jesus on. Yeah, that's why I was here. Now you share me your best my for be what have me body. Papa, yeah, my Baba Julie Juu TV. So, me your best my body na fe. Can program me one sem na fe the owo bi aka. Me the floor na ma.
Me da se me kira wahefo nyina. Na me nshi aka my Jesus one program me fa ni say overcamers family. Ye gada ya ye di ababonte na program no enka ho beto aso bekoso akoso be ma youth wo kuma so eni age program ye program we kwan ye be program be bri e beba enye we kwan ye be the most no ye bonya member ye say ye betimi host another program she say ye we no music program so be san to aso aba ye buso ye boso eko kakra say nyame die bedu ba mi pesi yi na die o
say me menim say wo de nwomtofo bia wo de nwomtofo beba ha enti wo ka say wo de program foforo eba ye nje wachenye say tambe pa na offense program foforo no so beba because we dey ya ending ne enti ha ye wieti ye expect o tambe
yo ye hwe be ye dwumu ye rally dwumu ye sure say enema July more and I say October Emuba Ebetimi Epi Pepe.
I was a peer summer you. Summer.
Remember Nijiaba Milton Keynes. It's Munya ready, watch out. You be life and clear.
You Metigize for arte. Metigize for arte. Now will be our becabim.
The American say Mechia, my bushia for Mechia, my wife, my ma, my bushia for Ghana, Mechia Bibiara. Mechia, my sorry, I mean, Shramuna, I'm not fooling, I mean, Shramuna.
You and not Julie Juu TV. Ah, yeah, I need to be mother for bye bye.
When you watch Julie Juu TV, life and clear.
Yeah. Hello, Mayor. Welcome to TV. Yeah. Okay, mention your name to the people and say everything to Milton Keynes.
So I am James Lancaster and I'm the Mayor of Milton Keynes for 25 to 26 and it's truly an honour to be here and be able to speak to so many wonderful individuals and be able to represent and see every single community here in Milton Keynes.
First time I see you taking this your gold to somebody. Yeah? What do you inspire you to do that? Because I was in fact very, very happy to do that. It's very, very nice and the way you did it is so amazing. What comes to your mind to do that?
I think when we're trying to encourage you to be able to see what happens in the city, you have to have role models and I felt in those presents being able to pass the chain over to someone to be able to feel what I get to feel on a daily occurrence. Some children and some youth don't get that opportunity, so I want to give them that opportunity to be able to be inspired, to be even the next generation of mayors across many places in the world, but if I can do that here in Milton Keynes, then I certainly will.
Okay, thank you very much. We don't want to waste your time because a lot of people are waiting.
Absolutely.
For you. So I just want you to greet your fans, your family members, all the people you know.
Yeah, I just want to say thank you to everyone. I am coming to near the end of my term. I've got, I think, 39 days left, but I've had a wonderful time. I want to thank everyone across Milton Keynes who has been absolutely wonderful for me to be able to fulfill this role, but also to keep inspiring the next generation and keep empowering Milton Keynes to become that wonderful place that we want to live, play and learn in.
Thank you very much.
No worries, thank you so much.